Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this eyeshadow look. This is look number 3 in my 10 looks using one palette series, highlighting the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. And if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look, just keep watching. Okay guys, so today I'm doing look number 3 in my 10 looks using one palette series. I had someone request to highlight the green, which is Wanderlust in this palette, and it's really pretty. I'm getting ready to go to my son's Christmas party today, so I'm gonna try to keep it not as intense, but it'll probably still be intense because let's be honest, it's me. So my brows are on with my normal products, and I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. I have the shade Porcelain. I am just gonna lightly set that today with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. On a Morphe M504 brush, I'm gonna pick up Weekender, and it's very light, and I'm just gonna lay that down as a transition shade. I'm going to take this Morphe M573 and pick up Riff, and I'm going to work that into the crease. Okay, once I have that built up in the crease, I just went in and built it up and blended it out. Taking that first brush and just blending out those edges a little more. One thing I have noticed about this palette is there's not a lot of mattes, like straight mattes. There's a lot of shimmers and what looks like satin, but really there's only, I really only see six out of this whole palette, which isn't even a third of this palette that doesn't have some sort of sheen in it. Because even like Good As Gone looks like it has a little bit of sheen. It doesn't look like it in the camera, but Jet, the black, looks like it has some glitter specks in it. So it kind of makes it hard, but I think I'm going to go in with Punk. I'm going to take a Morphe M433, these are like my favorite brushes, and pick up Punk, which is that really deep chocolate brown. And I'm going to work that on the outer V and just kind of building it into the crease. I'm going to try not to go too heavy with this, but we'll see. So once I have that on and kind of blend it out, I'm going to take the second brush that I used and just blend it out a little bit more. So now I'm going to go in and cut the crease with the concealer I used today, which is the Too Faced one, and then I'm going to go in with Wanderlust, which is that green, and I'm going to go over the top of it. I'm just going to do a half cut crease. I feel like that shape is really flattering on my eyes, and I am going to spray the shadow with a setting spray. I think I want to add a little bit of Big Sky just to lighten the center of my eye, because that green is really dark. It's really pretty. I'm just going to take Big Sky on a little brush. This is a Beige Cosmetics number 13 brush. I'm going to try to lighten up the center of my eye. I'm spraying that. Bringing that in to the center and blending it out to the edges. I feel like I should have done that backwards. I should have went in with the blue because it's lighter and then went to the green on the center, but it's okay. I think I'll just leave it like this. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab that third brush, the Morphe M433 that I used, and pick up more of Punk, which is that deep shade I used in the outer corner, and I'm gonna go ahead and build that color up and blend it into the shimmer shades. Okay, and then going in with the second brush and just lightly blending the edges out. Then I'm just gonna go in and clean up any of that fallout, clean up the edges. I think it's intense, but I actually think it's really pretty. I think what I'm gonna do is once I'm done doing all my makeup, I might do a really bright inner corner and drag it up into, like, just into the inner corner on my lid to lighten that and kind of open up my eyes a little bit, and we'll see if that helps that at all. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup, and I will be right back to finish up my eyes. Okay, so I just finished up the rest of my makeup, so I'm gonna go in and finish up my eyes. I'm gonna take Punk on this Curie Cosmetics smudger brush and just put that right up next to the waterline. Then I'm going to take this Curie Cosmetics pencil brush, and I'm going to take Riff, and I'm just going to smoke out that lower lash line. Then I'm going to take Breakaway, which is that highlight shade, and put that on the inner corner. And I'm going to drag it up to try to brighten my eye. And right under the arch of my brow. I'm going to take this Jonteblu eyeliner pencil. I think I got this from BoxyCharm. It's in dark brown. I don't know if it works well, but we will try to put that on the waterline. It's just a little softer than black. This pencil isn't working very good though, honestly. Ooh, it's like really rough and it's not going on there very well. And it made this eye water, so now it's like not going on there at all. I can't tell if this lip is too cool toned or if it's like too metallic. Then just popping on some mascara really quick and then spraying my face with the Milani Make It Last. Okay guys, and this is the finished look. This is look number 3. I tried highlighting the green shade Wanderlust, so let me know if you like this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. I post 3 every week. I did film this face makeup. If you want to check that out, it'll be coming up next. It was just a chatty get ready with me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.